Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So tonight we're going to make a homemade pizza. So ito yung crust na ginagamit namin, and then pepperoni, cheese. Nilipat lang namin yung cheese dito kasi mas malaki, tapos pwede siyang i-zip. Then sausage. Ito yung brand na ginagamit namin kasi masarap siya, guys. Kailangan dapat mag-prepare kayo ng pizza spoon. Then meron kaming rolling pan. And then ito para hindi siya dumikit. So simulan na natin. So first step, guys, is one of this packet, and then you mix with 1/2 cup of hot water and then 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So i-mix mo siya. After mag-mix, ilalagay mo siya dyan, then ipi-plain. So normally, my husband was always doing that. Kasi hindi ako marunong.
I hope this doesn't stick.
Additional ingredients, so we use this sauce. Masarap siya itong sauce na to. And then we normally put these two para medyo maanghang. So pinasok na natin dito yung crust. Hintayin natin na mag-brown siya. And then kukunin. Kinuha na namin siya sa oven. Hinintay namin na mag-look brown siya. And then start na paglalagay ng mga ingredients. So first is the sauce. Sauce should be even.
She has a record player that's like a tabletop window. Yeah, so we use the mahogany from the front porch. What I'm imagining, a bench under the window, but then this is
Next, yung pepper crust.
crushed red peppers here.
Crust. Red.
Crush,
Crust.
not crust. Crushed.
So next is the crushed red pepper. And then sausage.
Okay, so I'm going to keep sending the door. You can take this. This is the only piece of furniture that's left behind in the house that she remembers.
I said crust.
Oh, you said crushed, not crust.
Crust. I almost forgot that this is hot.
Yeah. Was in the oven, 450 degrees, dear.
Next is cheese. Not yet. So next is the crust red paper, and then sausage.
That's good. Smooth.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna keep sending the door. You can take this. This is the only piece of furniture that was left behind in the house that she remembers.
I said crust.
Oh, you said crust.
Gotta say that.
Crust.
This house has
Crust.
been somewhat vacant since Katrina. The moisture got to it. Louis the Colt's been here now. It's breaking down. So really, like, the pain is wanting to save this piece of furniture.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just trying to drop a little green in every room. This is her favorite.
I almost forgot that this is hot.
Yeah,
Well, I love
within the oven, 450 degrees, dear.
the house. And also, the art room is never gonna have any light put through it.
Next is cheese. Not yet. So next is cheese.
We would need to replace.
4 pieces aside, but that's not a big deal.
So by the way, I like pizza that has a lot of cheese. Mas masarap kasi siya, guys. I think call the cheese, babe. Shredded cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese. Di pala yan yung shredded. Mozzarella cheese. Yun, oh. And the last is the pepperoni.
Some of this pepperoni is really thin and some of it's not.
So, papalibot namin yung pepperoni, guys.
You probably think all pads are the same. They either leak or feel like a diaper. But have you tried Always Infinity Flex Foam? It's the only pad made of flex foam, not fluff, so it works differently. Flex foam continuously pulls fluid away from your body, so the top stays dry. And unlike other pads, it locks fluid away along the bottom layer, so you can't even feel it. Even on heavy days, Flex foam absorbs 50% more. That's 7 times more than you need. And it doesn't bunch. 0 leaks and 0 feel is possible with Always Infinity Flex Foam.
Just throw this away.
Okay.
Put that back in the freezer.
Okay. So, now guys, it's done. Ibabalik namin ulit siya sa oven until it's cooked. So, nasa oven na siya with 400 degree,
450 degrees.
450 degree.
How many times?
Finished product. Okay, simulan na natin ang kain. Mainit-init pa siya. And then, I normally drink with Coke Zero. Lame!